Two popular project management platforms, but one big question, which one actually helps you get more done? On one side, we've got nTask, built for simplicity and collaboration. On the other, Freedcamp, packed with features and made for flexibility. Today, we're testing them in the ways that matter most: task management, team communication, pricing, integrations, and beyond. Forget the fancy marketing. We're looking at real features, real workflow, real results. Each round, they earn points. At the end, you'll know exactly who comes out ahead. And trust me, the end, you'll know exactly who comes out ahead. And trust me, the outcome might surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, here's a quick mind map for how we're going to compare these two. We're looking at price, feature set, collaboration tools, usability, integration, security, and how much you can actually customize things. Got all that? Cool, let's go category by category. Starting off with price. So nTask gives you a free plan that covers the basics. They're not trying to nickel and dime you, which is honestly kind of refreshing. But if you want the fancy stuff, you're going to have to pay up. Freedcamp though, the free tier is honestly kind of wild. You get a ton for nothing, and if you want extras, you just add on what you need, and it's still usually cheaper than you'd expect. Some stuff does cost extra, okay, but overall, Freedcamp's seriously tough to beat for value. Next up, feature set. nTask packs and Kanban, Gantt charts, even built-in risk management and meeting tools. That's super organized. But integrations are kind of limited, so it doesn't play nice with as many outside tools. Freedcamp turns everything up a notch. You get task lists, Kanban, calendar, document sharing, wikis, discussions, and you can tack on even more features with add-ons. Yeah, the dashboard has a lot going on, but at least you can tweak and extend it to fit what you need. Now for collaboration. With nTask, you can add comments, attach files, invite guests, it covers your essentials, and it works well for small teams, honestly. But if you need, mega collaboration, Freedcamp's got you covered. Shared calendars, chat, permissions galore, collaborate with clients, the whole thing. It's powerful, but not as beginner-friendly out of the gate. Quick aside. Did you know Freedcamp started as a totally free platform back in 2010? No joke. They were all about making project management accessible for, everyone. That's pretty cool. Usability is next, and this is where nTask really shines. The interface is super clean, minimal, and you don't need a PhD to figure it out. It's really easy for folks who just want to get stuff done though. It doesn't let you customize as much. Freedcamp, in contrast, gives you basically a playground for power users. Tons of options and tweaks, but yeah, let's be real. The interface does start to look busy if you're not careful. Integrations. This one's big if you live in Google Drive or Slack all day. nTask, sure, it's got Slack and Zapier. But Freedcamp? Oh man, it's like they wanted to hook into everything. Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Zapier, Slack, and way more. Some of these are add-ons, and you might need to pay for a few, but overall, Freedcamp's integration game is way ahead. What about security? Both of these actually do a solid job. Think SSL, regular backups, user permissions, all that good stuff. Freedcamp is also officially GDPR compliant, so if you're in Europe, that's a big plus. nTask covers the basics too, but if you want ultra high-end enterprise stuff, you are going to pay more on Freedcamp. Still, pretty even matchup here. And now, customization. nTask has some custom fields and paid plans, but if you're totally on the free version, your options are kinda limited. Freedcamp though, wow, you can basically make this tool your own. Custom fields, white labeling, modules, the options are almost endless, but you'll need to spend some time digging in the settings. Still, if you want something flexible, it's the clear winner. If you look at the overall scores, Freedcamp consistently edges past nTask in almost every category except sheer simplicity. The gaps aren't always huge, but Freedcamp just offers more, especially as your needs get advanced. So, here's where I land. nTask is perfect if you're working with a small team or you just want a clean, dead simple way to organize your projects. But if you know you'll want advanced features, more integrations, or you expect your workflow to get more complicated over time, Freedcamp's probably the smarter choice. If this whole breakdown saved you time hunting for the right project manager, hit subscribe or bookmark. You won't miss the next in-depth face